I welcome you back once again to Jobit Academy. Please, if you are new and this is the first time of being on this channel, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Just give us a comment and then we will get back to you. Okay, so in this particular lesson or this particular video, I'm going to show you another AI tool. Previously, we have been dealing with some AI tool that help us to create powerful and good designs, like good graphic designs. So we talk of Canva AI tool, which you can get the link to the video in the description. We also have the Adobe Firefly. I also have the link. Also have that link in the description. So just get to the description and then get to watch those videos. So in this lesson, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use another powerful tool that you can use for free. Now, in this particular tool, we are going to use prompts. It's also an AI a prompt generated AI that uses prompts to generate powerful design. So now let's go to our address bar and then let's type designs.ai. So designs.ai. Then you get to this interface. Now you need to create an account. Basically this site is not free. Please, this site is not free. It is a paid site. After signing up, you are going to get a 50 credits that you can use to generate some of your designs. So if you watch to the end, I will also show you how to create account, how to use this particular tool for free without upgrading. Okay, so let's dive in. After opening this site, just go to create straight. You see that there are so many things that you can do here, but our focus here is the AI designs, because we are designers, we are graphic designers, so we want to deal with design. So just forget about other thing here and just focus here. So just click on the AI design and then just scroll down and then go to try it now. You go down, you're going to see try it now here. Just click on try it now. Then you select from the thing that you want to do. You want to start from an image. Maybe you want to create an image and then use the image to design, or you want to generate from a prompt, or can also choose templates. So there are so many templates that I can choose from. So any of them that you want, maybe you want to generate from a prompt. So let's select generating from a prompt, and then at this session you need to sign in. So let's go to sign in, and because I already have an account here, I'll just go to Google and then select the email that I've registered with on this particular platform and then log in straight. If you are new here, you need to sign up and then use your email address and then you're good to go. Just click on this icon here. You're going to see that the credit available is what? It's 50, and we're using the free plan. So we are going to use the 50 credit to generate. So let's select the generate from prompts, and then now let's enter our prompt. So let's say I want to create a design of a man driving. Okay, something like this, man driving. So you just enter the prompt. So you can see that the moment you enter the prompt, this particular button will be activated. You see that we are going to use 10 credits to generate this particular prompt. So which category are you going to use? So just select the category, then you select any of them that you want to use. We are going to use the art, so let's select the art, and then the style we are using rare image, so we are going to use digital arts. Okay, let me check and see. Okay, let's use digital arts, or can also even select can we select 3D if you want to create a 3D animation, but let's use digital art for now. And then the aspect ratio, you can select any of them depending on the platform that you want to post your design. So we are going to select let me select the 16:9 aspect ratio, then come here and then click on generate the prompts, so generate the image. So it takes some few minutes for the image to be generated. And don't forget, this is a free version, so things may be slow in generating, but if you want to get a fast prompt, a fast generation, you need to upgrade and then use this particular platform. It's a very good platform. So now you can see from here that the image is now fully generated here for us. You can see that it's a powerful image of a man driving. Okay, so any kind of prompt that you give to your image, any kind of prompt that you give to your AI, it will generate it for you. So you can still select the style. So you use digital art, you can scroll through and maybe select this one, photo graphic. So I think that one will be a rare one, so you can just select one and then generate the style again. You're going to see that it will change but don't forget that we have used 10 for the first generation, so this generation also costs us 10. So once you generate, you see that your credit will be reducing. Okay, so to end this particular video, I remembered I promised you that I'm going to show you how to use this particular site, how to get 50 credits anytime you use this credits out. Anytime this credit finish up, how to get another 50 to create more designs. So this is what we're going to do. Let's log out, but don't forget, you see that you're having 30 here. So let's log out. Let's log out or sign up from the platform, and then let's open a new tab. And then in the address bar, let's type temp-mail.org. temp-mail.org. So you're going to see that you're going to have this particular platform. So this platform will help you to generate temporary email. So you can see that an email is selected for you. You can just refresh it anytime so that it will give you a different email address anytime you want to use it. Okay, so now we have a new email address. So let's copy it again and then go back to the site and then paste it at the email section here. So now let's enter our password. Note the password should have a mixture of letters, a mixture of numbers, uppercase, lowercase, and then symbols. So I'm going to use this. So I've entered my password and then make sure my country is selected, then go to sign up. Okay, so I see that it has now been signed up for us, so just want to close this one for now. So you see that email verification has been sent, but this is because this is a temp email, so you need to make sure you don't close this particular tab. So when you go to that tab, you're going to see that an email message has been sent to you. Scroll down, so the email verification message has been sent. Just click on the email address verification and then scroll down again. You see verify your email. Just verify the email, and then you're going to see that it will give you a prompt to log in again. So you just click on sign in now, and then now we are going to enter the email address again and then the password that we entered during the registration. Then you click on sign in. You can see that it's now been successfully signed in. Okay, so if you go to the icon here, you're going to see that now you see that the 50 credit is now back. So this is what you'll be doing for your design. So just don't worry with your email. Just go to temp-mail, create an email there and use it to register for this particular site. And this particular site is so powerful. There are so many things you can do here. Apart from the designs that you can do, there are so many things you can do here. Okay, so I'll end this lesson here, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, give us your comment and share for for people to also benefit. Thank you, and meet you in another lesson. Bye for now.